Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shamela and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. There are times when you just wish to eat nothing but sweet, delicious bowl of fruits, especially when fasting or out in sun for a long time. We need energy supplements for our body to retain. Fruit chaat is an Indian spiced fresh fruit salad. It is a refreshing and tongue-smacking combo of fruits and chaat masala flavor. Add any seasonal fruit of your choice to enjoy this refreshing bowl. So let's start making it. De-seed and chop the grapes and add this in a large bowl. Find the freshest and vibrantly colored strawberries, chop and add this to a fruit bowl. Now de-seed and chop the watermelons. And now goes into a fruit bowl. Peel and chop bananas. Make sure you use ripe bananas. Apples are always in my fruit basket. De-seed and chop the apples, then add this to a fruit bowl. Among the gorgeous and tasty fruits, pomegranate is one of my favorites. Juicy, deep red and almost seedless. Add this to a fruit bowl. And to this I am adding 1 tablespoon powdered sugar, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, this is optional, half teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Now toss gently to mix. If using chilled fruits, serve right away. But if you using room temperature fruits, chop fruits and chill. Just before serving, sprinkle and mix the spices and serve. When you combine a creative mind with a craving stomach, the possibilities are endless. So enjoy this recipe of fruit chaat. And follow us for more short recipes and updates on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.